Yo, what's up, everyone? My name is Dom, and we're going to talk about unusual options activity. Alright, let's kick it off with the disclaimer. So, disclaimer, this video is for educational purposes only. Statements made in this programming are solely the opinion of the show. They are not a specific inducement to make an investment. One must perform their own due diligence and realize all investments carry risk. There's no guarantee of profit. Alright, everyone, first one I want to bring up is Southwest Airlines, LUV. Now, we also saw some activity in Delta Airlines, and some other airlines as well. And what's really kind of suspicious or intriguing about this, I guess, is both in Delta, in LUV, and in some other airlines, they were going out to the October 15th expiration, getting the out of the money call. Now, if you look here at Southwest Airlines here, we have about 9,500 contracts traded here, above the open interest of about 359. Now, they're going for the October call, so they're going a little bit out of time here, a couple months of time here, but they're getting a call that is about $4 to $5 out of the money. That's about 10% out of the money, and they're paying a dollar for these calls. So the break even on expiration October 15th is 56. So now that is pretty bullish here. You know, Southwest has, and a lot of these airlines here have had huge sell-offs. Now, it had a nice day today, as you can see from this green candle. It was up about 4.5%. So I just find it really interesting here that they're stepping in. Southwest Airlines, Delta Airlines, some other airlines, they're all going out to October, and they're all getting out-of-the-money calls. So I think that is super interesting here. I think it's probably time to put on a trade in some of these airlines. So that's going to be what I'm looking at tomorrow. Next one I want to bring up is 3D Systems. Now, this is kind of a Reddit stock, or just a stock that has run up a lot here. We kind of had a nice pullback from the last earnings. As you can see from the last earnings, we failed at this 40 level here. And it kind of looks like we're making, honestly, kind of a little bit of a cup and handle, kind of a little bit of a shallow handle here. But I think we're making a turn here, and we could test these 35 levels here in the stock. So if you look at these September 3rd options here, I'm in the 30-35 call spread. Now, if you look at the September 3rd 33 calls here, there's about 9,700 contracts traded above open interest of about 109. So I like all that volume. I like that volume to open interest ratio. I like how short-term these options are, and I like the fact that they're going super far out of the money here. They're going about $3 out of the money here on a $30 stock currently. So that's about 10% out of the money, and they're paying about $55 to $60 for these contracts. That puts their break even at $33.50 on expiration on the Friday, September 3rd. So somebody's obviously betting that it's going to make a short-term, huge move here. But what I decided to do was I decided to buy the at-the-money call and short the out-of-the-money call. So I bought the 30, sold the 35 call. Lower risk to reward, but higher probability trade instead of going with that cheap out-of-the-money call, which is kind of a lotto because of how short-term it is. You know, everybody's different. Some people like to do the out-of-the-money calls. Some people like to do, what I do, vertical spreads, where you buy the at-the-money, sell the out-of-the-money. Some people like to do out-of-the-money vertical spreads. Some people like to short put spreads when they see somebody buying calls. So, you have to dive in there, kind of learn for yourself and figure out the strategy that you want to use. I'm just giving you an example of what I like to do, why it works for me most of the time. So, yeah, we already took a look at this chart here. I'm playing this one up to this 35 level here. That's why I chose a short strike of about 35. Looks like, we top out around 35. If we get through 35, my next price target is probably 39 to 40. So, thanks to everyone who's been subscribing. I really appreciate it. Make sure to keep subscribing up. Make sure to share this video with somebody who likes trading. Make sure to share this video with somebody who's trying to learn how to trade. Make sure to smash the like button so I know to keep making more videos like this. Make sure to shoot a subscribe if you enjoyed the content, and we'll see you in the next one.